Второй класс. Английский язык. Звездный английский. Моё тело. Домашнее задание. Страница 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75. English. Starlight 2. My body. Homework. Page number 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I am your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. What's your name? Where are you from? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? How long have you been here? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 70. My body. Exercise number 1. Слушай диалог и смотри на картинки. What's the matter? My head hurts. Oh dear, let me see. Sorry, doctor. What's the matter? My foot hurts. Oh dear, let me see. Sorry, doctor. My tongue hurts. Let me see. Sorry, doctor. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 72. We must do exercise number 1. Letter A. Посмотри на картинки и прочитай предложение. Впиши в пропуске A или B. B. Скажи, у каких животных лапы, а у каких копыта, используя образец. A cow has got. The answer. A cow has got hooves. A dog has got paws. A kitten has got paws. A horse has got hooves. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 73. Exercise number 2. Закончи текст о щенке, выбрав необходимые слова. The answer. A dog. I got 4 legs, 2 ears, 2 eyes, and a nose. I live in a house or in the garden. I like to eat meat. I like to run and play in the park. They say that I am a man's best friend. What am I? I am a dog. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 74. We must do exercise number 1. Закончи фразы, выбрав необходимые слова. Heads, tummy, arms. The answer. I got 2 heads, 4 arms, and 2 legs. I got 3 legs and 4 arms. I've got 2 legs 2 arms and a big tummy. Boys and girls, do exercise number 2. Letter A. Закончи предложение с 1 по 4, соединив их с соответствующими картинками. Letter B. Прочитай предложение. Clap your, nod your, stamp your, wave your. The answer. Clap your hands. Nod your head. Stamp your feet. Wave your arms. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 75. 75. Exercise number 3. Прочитай текст и выбери правильную картинку. A или B. Hello, I'm Roy. Look at me. I got fair hair and blue eyes. I got a small tummy too. Look at my feet. They're big. The answer. Letter B. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 4. Нарисуй себя. Сделай презентацию своего рисунка в классе, как показано в образце. This is me. My head. My arm. My tummy. My leg. My foot. The answer. This is me. Look. My tummy is small. I've got dark hair and green eyes. I've got long legs and arms. Look at my feet. They're not big. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your king. Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy New Year. Wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas